Nikon D750 FX format digital SLR camera. The D750 has a feature set unlike full-frame DSLRs its size. It uses the same autofocus and metering technology as the D4S and the D810. Nikon's powerful 51-point AF system with 15 cross-type sensors and 3D color matrix metering 3 with a 91,000 pixel RGB sensor. It's fast and responsive, shoots 6.5 FPS at full resolution, and it's endlessly versatile. Shoot stills in multiple formats, video with enhanced definition, smooth time-lapse sequences up to 9,999 shots in camera and more. All with stunning sharpness and rich tonality. Open new compositional possibilities with its 3.2 inches 1.